Hello, Honor Chem students. This is Mrs. Snyder here, doing a screencast from my kitchen. I just wanted to reach out to you guys, see how you are doing. Just wanted to say, miss you. I've been well. I'm hoping you are well, and I'm hoping your family is well in this very surreal time in our nation's history. So. I have been working the past 2 weeks. A lot of it is getting ready, gearing up for this online distant learning that we will now be doing till the beginning of May. So I just wanted to let you guys know that a few things are going to be a little different. I've changed the website just slightly. We will be working with this website for the first week we are back. And then we will transition into a different website. It's still pretty much going to be a Schoology website. It's just that the look will be different. My picture will be different. You may go from one section to a different section based on numbers, but the rest of it should all be pretty much the same. I do have my email there and my Google Voice number. So once we can start connecting, once school can resume, which for us will be April 7th, that would be a number that you can call during my office hours there for if we needed to talk in person and we needed to connect. And as we roll things out, there'll be other ways that we've been able to connect as well too, that I'm hoping that we'll be able to do some things virtually. Want you to know one big thing here is the sign up for the Remind. I only have about 54 of you guys that have signed up for Remind. So if you haven't, please sign up for Remind. The directions are right there. This will be my primary way. If I have to contact you individually, I can just do a real quick text that way. And if you don't have a cell phone, you still can get and should sign up for Remind through email notifications as well. You'll also notice that there is a Turnitin here. The Turnitin will be something that we must do on the first day of when we return. It will be the primary way that you will turn in work for assessments and stuff, and more information on that to be happening later. Also, I just do want to let you know is if you are not getting updates on the calendar, you should go to my first day of chemistry. And in that first day of chemistry, there's information about going to resources and how you should subscribe to iCalendar. So you would want to make sure that you're paying close attention to the settings as far as how they are directed. And so just to kind of give you guys a little bit of a preview, you'll notice that I have here end of term work review and test. And so you won't be able to see this yet because it's turned off for you, but I do have for each day, there will be a lesson. The lessons are going to be different because this platform will be with distant learning, and so it will be online. So the expectations are going to be different, and the learning is just going to be different compared to us being face-to-face. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. Do not stress about it. I am confident we can do this. I am confident that it's going to be meaningful work for you guys. It's just going to be different. So I look forward to it. I think that this is really going to be a very interesting time as we learn how to do distant learning. And just know that I will continue to be flexible with you guys. So if you have any issues, please contact me through email. I can initiate a call if we need to talk in person, but I just want you guys to know that I'm here for you and I'm flexible with whatever situation you may be dealing with. So I'm looking forward to seeing you and talking with you guys in April. And I hope that you guys are able to enjoy somewhat of a spring break. It's going to be nice on Monday. So get out there, get outside, get some exercise. Like I said, read a book, do some cooking. Hopefully that you guys can enjoy a few days. And I look forward to working with you guys soon. Talk to you guys later. Miss ya. Bye.